Hey singers, I want to share a useful technique with you called forward placement. Now, forward placement means focusing your sound forward towards the mask of your face, the area around your nose and your eyes. But by singing with forward placement, you can achieve a brighter, clearer tone, reduced vocal strain, and you can really increase your vocal projection. So you're just going to have more boom in your voice. But a great exercise for this is humming. You can start by humming and really just feeling those vibrations on your lips. And then imitate a buzzing bee sound, really focusing the sensations in the mask of your face. So you can start by going up and down your vocal range on pitch glides just like this. So you can join in with me. And hopefully you're feeling those vibrations. If you need to, pause the video and just do it by yourself just to get used to it, and then join back in again when you're ready. Okay, so let's take it to the scale. Imagine the sound vibrating forward through your nose and your cheeks. Keep that buzz-like tone. Focus on keeping the sound consistent, no wavering in the pitch or the airflow. You can let your eyes brighten just to really lift that soft palate and open the resonators. Good. Almost done. Well done. So once you're comfortable with the exercises, you can transition the buzzing sound onto a song melody, and eventually you'll be able to sing songs while maintaining this forward placement sensation. Forward placement can give you a clearer, brighter voice, which is really useful for live shows, but it can also reduce strain, and it does that by easing pressure on the throat. Now, when it comes to the usage of voice placement, you know, it's a useful technique to have. It's a useful technique to add to your skills, but it doesn't always fit all singing styles, and it's not always needed. And that's okay, but you can think of it as another tool to add to your singing toolbox, another tool that you can pull from to use to creatively express yourself through the songs that you're singing. But give it a go, and let me know if you found it useful, you know, and that's pretty much it from me. Subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful, and share and like, and yeah, you can download my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store, on the Google Play, and there's just a whole bunch of free training on the app, challenges and vocal workouts. So yeah, that's pretty much it from me. I'll see you soon. Peace.